Number 2 says a patient weighs 182 pounds. If the doctor prescribes 7 mcg per kilogram of body weight, how many mg should be given? Okay, so I want to first start with the weight. So the 182, I need to divide that by 2.2. And we get 82.727272. This step we always round to the nearest tenth. So regardless of what the directions say about any of the other steps, on these problems they want us to round the final answer to the nearest tenth as well, but not all of them will. However, the step with the weight dividing by 2.2, we will always round that to the nearest tenth. So this is going to be 82.7 kilograms. So then next I want to set up a proportion to find out how many micrograms and then convert that to milligrams. So 7 micrograms over 1 kilogram of body weight, and I'm going to set that equal to x over 82.7 kilograms. So we're trying to match up these kilograms. And then if we multiply 7 times 82.7 divided by 1, then x is going to be equal to 578.9 micrograms. But again, they want the final answer in milligrams. So we need to convert. This will be 0.5789 milligrams. But then they do want the final answer rounded to the nearest tenth. So x is going to be equal to 0.6 milligrams. So that's how many milligrams you would give a patient of this weight.